In this video, we address a critical issue on server 1, where the home file system became unmountable due to an unsupported size reduction on an XFS volume. We will walk you through the steps taken to resolve this issue. We investigated the problem, attempted multiple recovery methods, and finally had to recreate the file system and restore from backup. The commands used in the fix included checking LVM archive logs, verifying the mount error, running xsfs log repair, extending the logical volume, reformatting with mkfs.xfs, and restoring data with dsmc restore. It's crucial to remember that XFS does not support shrinking. Only extension is supported. Attempting to reduce it will corrupt the file system. Learn from this and avoid costly mistakes in production. The root cause was identified as an unsupported shrink operation on the XFS file system. Someone attempted to reduce the size using elvreduce on dev mapper root vg home lv, which led to file system corruption and mount failure. We identified the root cause in the LVM archive and verified the mount error. The system call failed with the message, "Structure needs cleaning." In the first part of the fix, we identified the root cause in the LVM archive and verified the mount error. We attempted XFS log repair, but it failed due to lack of matching secondary superblocks. Next, we added a new disk and prepared it, extended the existing volume group, and extended the logical volume back to its required size. We re-attempted file system repair, but it still failed. As a last resort, we reformatted the corrupted XFS file system, mounted the #home file system, and restored data from the DSM backup. Remember, XFS does not support shrinking. Only extension is supported. Learn from this and avoid costly mistakes in production. Like, share, and subscribe for more real-world SysAdmin fixes and Linux tutorials.